Good morning, guys. Today I'll show you how to make special ensaymada, and join me how to do this. Okay, so we need the ingredients are flour, sugar, milk, oil, mashed potato, salt, egg, and yeast. Okay, let's put here is the procedure. We have to put the warm milk in the mixing bowl. Okay, and then we will put 3 tablespoons of instant yeast. And then we will mix it. Okay, let's mix it. After mixing this one, we have to blend the 1 cup of milk. After mixing the milk and the yeast, we have to blend the milk, the sugar, the mashed potato, and the egg. Okay, we will blend it. Okay, after blending, we will mix it with the yeast mixture and the milk. And then we will put the oil and the salt. We will mix it. We'll mix it well so that the yeast will be mixed well with the mixture. Okay? Then we will put now some of our flour. Okay, the next thing we do is to put all the remaining flour. Then we will mix it. We'll just put it in a low speed. Okay, now we will put margarine on the table so that we can manually mash the mixture. Okay? Okay, love, come and mash the mixture, please.
Okay, I will wash my hands first. So guys, I will help my love. I wash already my hands clean. So I'll be putting a little bit of margarine on the palm of my hands so that the dough will not stick on my fingers. Okay, so yeah. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
We used to bake a lot of bread when we were in
Dubai,
Dubai,
and even in Saudi Arabia.
even in Saudi Arabia. So, yes, guys, even here, you
Yeah.
know.
Okay, so let's, after kneading manually, we have to raise rice for 1 hour before we form it, okay?
Okay, so that's
So
good now,
let's
right?
put it back in a bowl
Bowl, okay.
and then let it rise for
All right.
1 hour. And then after that, we'll be back. Okay? Guys, after 1 hour, this is the outcome. Okay? Then we will divide it. We will now divide this into 60 grams. There. We have to divide it into 60 grams. Okay, after we divide it into the dough into 60 grams each, we will make a coil. Okay, we'll form a coil like this, and then put it in the baking pan. Okay, we have to do the same until we finish all the dough. We will make a coil. There. We will form this as a ball, and then we will use a rolling pin to roll. And then we will put ham inside. Okay, we will put ham and then roll. Then just like the way we do for the one without the ham, we will coil it. Okay, we form as a coil, and then we will put it in the baking pan. I use parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, you can put oil or margarine on the baking pan. See, we'll do like this until we finish all the dough. Okay, now we're almost done. So after we coil this, we have to let raise the dough for 1 hour. Okay. We will leave this dough for 1 hour. Okay? Okay guys, this is now the result after 1 hour. So we can put now in the oven and bake it. Okay? Put in the oven and bake it. Okay, we will bake it for 12 minutes. Okay, now it's cooked, so we have to take it out. Okay, we have to take it out and put the other one. Okay, we'll put in the oven for the cheese later. Okay, we'll cool it down. See, this is now baked Ensaymada. Okay, these are now the cooked Ensaymada. Okay guys, let's cool it down and we'll put butter. Okay, now guys, we're done baking the Ensaymada, and then we have to mix the toppings. Okay, we have to mix 1 cup of margarine, margarine and icing sugar. We will put 1/3 cup of icing sugar. Oops. Okay, 1/3 cup of icing sugar. We will blend it, mix it, and then we will put as toppings for the Ensaymada. Okay, we'll check it. Blend again, and we will add a little bit sugar. Maybe half of the 1/3. Okay, and we will mix again. Okay, after mixing this, we will grate the cheese. This is also to top the Ensaymada. It's cooled down already, the bread, so we can put now this mixture of sugar and margarine. Okay, now we will put the margarine and then the icing sugar, blended icing sugar and margarine. This is very soft ensaymada. This is the one with the ham inside. This ensaymada with ham inside. We can top it now with the cheese. Okay, we'll top it with the cheese. Super yummy. Ensaymada, soft ensaymada with ham and with the cheese topping. Okay, now guys, this is now the finished product of our ensaymada. Okay, please watch, share, and subscribe to our channel, Love and Thrive. Thank you and God bless.